शिमला सिर्फ एक हिल स्टेशन नहीं बल्कि एक्सपीरियंस का कंप्लीट पैकेज है। कूल माउंटेन ब्रीज, एंडलेस पाइन फॉरेस्ट, हेरिटेज स्ट्रीट्स एंड व्यू पॉइंट्स जो हर एंगल से ब्रेथटेकिंग हैं। चाहे फर्स्ट टाइम ट्रैवलर हो या एक्सपीरियंस्ड एक्सप्लोरर, शिमला सरप्राइजेस, इंस्पायर्स एंड कनेक्ट्स विद ऑल। इस वीडियो में we will explore Shimla's top spots. This video is just not a sightseeing guide, but a roadmap for your future trips. अगर एडवेंचर, हेरिटेज और नेचर का एक परफेक्ट कॉम्बिनेशन चाहिए और शिमला को सिर्फ देखना नहीं बल्कि फील करना है, तो ये वीडियो आपके लिए है। कालका शिमला टॉय ट्रेन। शिमला पहुंचने के लिए सबसे आइकॉनिक रूट्स हैं कालका शिमला नैरो गॉज रेलवे। यूनेस्को वर्ल्ड हेरिटेज साइट भी है। ये 96 किलोमीटर की जर्नी लगभग 4 से 5 घंटे लेती है। From Kalka, several trains run on this route, with Shivalik Deluxe Express and Himalayan Queen being the most popular. Early morning departures work the best to enjoy the full view of valleys and hills in daylight. Tickets can be booked online via IRCTC or other official platforms. One practical tip: अगर आपके पास टाइम कम हो तो आप सोलन या कंडाघाट जैसे छोटे सेक्शन स्टेशन तक भी ट्रेन राइड ले सकते हैं ताकि आप ट्रेन राइड का एक्सपीरियंस पूरा कर सकें। द रिज इज लोकेटेड राइट इन द हार्ट ऑफ शिमला और ये सिटी के सबसे आइकॉनिक लैंडमार्क्स में से एक है। It runs parallel to the bustling Mall Road, making it a key focal point for both locals and tourists. On the western end, the ridge meets Mall Road and the famous Candle Point, एक historic और popular gathering spot. Towards the east, it gradually leads to Lakkar Bazaar, जो शिमला का famous wooden craft market है। यहाँ visitors traditional handicrafts, souvenirs और locally made wooden artifacts देखने और खरीदने आ सकते हैं। More than just a street or open area, the ridge serves as the city's central hub, linking important parts of Shimla and offering easy access to major attractions. Walking along the ridge gives visitor a true sense of Shimla's charm, blending history, commerce and natural beauty all in one place. मॉल रोड, शिमला का सबसे फेमस लैंडमार्क। ये कॉलोनियल एरा प्रोमेनाड ब्रिटिश टाइम से है और तभी डेवलप किया गया था और तब से लेकर अब तक ये सिटी का कमर्शियल और कल्चरल सेंटर है। मॉल रोड रिज के बिल्कुल पैरेलल चलता है और इंटरेस्टिंगली यहाँ रेगुलर ट्रैफिक अलाउड नहीं है। इस स्ट्रेच के दोनों तरफ है हेरिटेज बिल्डिंग, कैफेज, bakeries, libraries, small boutiques, wooden shops और local handicraft stores. Mall Road के through you get easy access to the key attractions जैसे Gaiety Theatre, Town Hall, State Library and of course the Ridge. Misty evenings are the best time to visit mall. Street lamps lights up, cafes bustle with travelers, cool mountain breeze, cookeries and hot chocolate fudge. What else you need in life? अगर आप शिमला को रियल सेंस में एक्सपीरियंस करना चाहते हो, then मॉल रोड पर एक स्लो वॉक is almost a mandatory. क्राइस्ट चर्च, और ये है शिमला का one of the most iconic landmarks. This church was constructed in 1857. ये नॉर्थ इंडिया का सेकेंड ओल्डेस्ट चर्च है। मुझे पर्सनली लगता है कि ये एक परफेक्ट प्लेस है फोटोग्राफी और ड्रोन शॉट्स के लिए। दिस चर्च इज वॉकिंग डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम द मॉल रोड एंड द कैंडल पॉइंट। ये सिर्फ एक चर्च नहीं, ये शिमला की आइडेंटिटी का पार्ट है। टूरिस्ट और लोकल्स दोनों ही यहाँ आना पसंद करते हैं फॉर फोटोग्राफी, हेरिटेज वॉक्स और इवनिंग वॉक के लिए स्पेशली। नेक्स्ट अप इज शिमला का फेमस हिल टॉप लैंडमार्क, दैट इज जाखू टेम्पल। शिमला का हाईएस्ट पॉइंट और हनुमान जी का एंशिएंट टेम्पल जो सिटी के स्काईलाइन को डोमिनेट करता है। यहाँ पहुँचने के लिए आपके पास 3 ऑप्शंस हैं। पहला ऑप्शन रोड या टैक्सी। रिज से सिर्फ 6 या 7 किलोमीटर का सीनिक अपहिल ड्राइव, 15 से 20 मिनट की जर्नी। ऑप्शन 2 ट्रैक, नेचर लवर्स के लिए एक परफेक्ट ऑप्शन। approximately 45 minutes या 1 hour uphill walk, surrounded by trees, birds and especially monkeys. ऑप्शन 3 इज जाखू रोपवे। लक्कड़ बाजार से डायरेक्ट टेम्पल तक सिर्फ 5 से 10 मिनट में आप जाखू टेम्पल पहुंच जाते हो इजीली। बेस्ट वे टू एंजॉय एरियल व्यू ऑफ द सिटी। टेम्पल के मेन अट्रैक्शंस हैं जायंट हनुमान जी का स्टैचू जो 33 फीट टॉल है और जो शिमला की लगभग हर जगह से दिखाई देता है। और हाँ, यहाँ मंकीज की पॉपुलेशन भी काफी ज्यादा है। They are friendly but at the same time very cheeky. So snacks and goggles should be kept with lot of care. This is Viceregal Lodge और आज के टाइम में Indian Institute of Advanced Study, शिमला का iconic historical landmark, approximately 3 kilometers from Mall Road. Built between 1888 to 1898, ये लॉज ब्रिटिश वाइसरॉय का समर रेजिडेंस था। इंडिपेंडेंस के बाद 1965 में बिल्डिंग को ट्रांसफॉर्म कर इंडियन इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ एडवांस स्टडी बनाया गया, जहां अब भी टॉप स्कॉलर्स रिसर्च करने के लिए आते हैं हिस्ट्री, सोशल साइंसेस और ह्यूमैनिटीज में। क्लोज्ड ऑन नेशनल हॉलीडेज और ड्यूरिंग ऑफिशियल इवेंट्स ऑफ द इंस्टीट्यूट। Gardens and outer lawns are generally free to explore, but building interiors only by ticketed tour. Photography allowed only in the outdoor areas. Interior photography is usually restricted. Timings Tuesday to Sunday 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Last entry usually around 4:30 p.m. Mondays closed because that's the maintenance day. Rashtrapati Niwas, Mashobra. It is about 13 kilometers from Shimla city. By road, you can drive from Shimla via Dhali bypass. The entry fee for Indian nationals is about 50 rupees per person. For foreign tourists, the fee is about 250 rupees per person. The site is generally open from Tuesday to Sunday. Monday and public holidays are closed. Standard visiting hours are 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. A free golf cart ride for visitors is also available once inside the premises, from gate to the main building and the lawns. Rashtrapati Niwas, Mashobra, also known as the Retreat Building, is the official summer retreat of the President of India. The building dates back to 1850, when it was originally constructed, and it covers around 10,628 square feet area. It sits on a large estate spanning over 150 acres, offering heritage, nature and beautiful views all together. Designed as a retreat building during British era, the property was later assigned as the President's summer residence. Until recently, it was a VVIP only place, but starting 23rd April 2023, it was open to the public for guided visits. A rare chance to visit a presidential estate from a close quarter. हवा के संग खोता जाऊं, रास्ते खुद कहानी बन जाए, मैं पल में जीऊं पल में खो जाऊं। Green Valley is a scenic stretch on the way from Shimla to Kufri, surrounded by lush pine, deodar forest and verdant hills. The valley offers sweeping Himalayan range views, dense forest ambience and a tranquil escape from the city bustle. Ideal for nature lovers, photographers and couples or families. Then is Mashobra. It is located 12 kilometers from Shimla city centre and is one of the region's most peaceful and scenic hill retreats. Sitting at an altitude of around 2146 meters, this small town is surrounded by dense deodar, cedar and pine forest, making it much greener and quieter than Shimla. Most travel websites describe Mashobra as a crowd-free, clean and nature-rich escape, perfect for couples who want silence, fresh mountain air and slow travel. The moment you leave Shimla and drive towards Mashobra, the atmosphere changes completely. Traffic fades, forests take over, and you instantly feel a calm mountain vibe. The narrow roads, apple orchards, misty valleys, and the sunlight filtering through all the tall trees around add to the Mashobra's natural charm. Naldera is a peaceful hilltop area famous for its lush green meadows, rolling hills, and open wide spaces. Unlike Shimla's busy streets, Naldera offers a calm countryside environment with tall deodar forest, fresh mountain air, and beautiful valley views. ये जगह खासकर अपने नालदेरा गोल्फ कोर्स के लिए भी काफी फेमस है, जिसे ब्रिटिश एरा में लॉर्ड कर्जन ने बनाया था। घने जंगलों से घिरा हुआ ये गोल्फ कोर्स इंडिया के सबसे ब्यूटीफुल लोकेशंस में से एक है। नालदेरा is ideal for nature walks, horse riding, picnic and photography, and spending some quality time and quiet time in the hills. The wide meadows are perfect for families and kids. Chedwick Falls is one of the Shimla's most serene natural spots, hidden deep inside the Glen Forest. The waterfall drops from a height of nearly 100 meters into a narrow gorge, creating a cool, misty atmosphere around. Surrounded by thick deodar, pine and oak trees, the whole area feels very untouched and calming. Most travel sites describe Chedwick Fall as a lesser-known gem, perfect for nature lovers, photographers, and people who want to see Shimla beyond its touristy places. The flow of the waterfall is strongest during the monsoons, making July to October the best time to visit. In summer months, the water level drops significantly. Now some practical information. How to reach. By toy train, Kalka to Shimla. Cost is approximately 300 to 500 rupees per person. Famous for scenic views and slow heritage ride. By bus from Delhi and Chandigarh. Cost is approx 800 rupees to 1500 rupees per person. Volvo and AC buses are easily available day and night service. By taxi from Chandigarh, 2500 to 4000 rupees full car. From Delhi, 5000 rupees to 7000 rupees the complete car. By flight, fly to Shimla Airport. Cost is approx 2500 to 6000 rupees per person. Price varies by season. Here's where you can stay. If you are on a budget, hotels are available close to the mall road and city attractions, with rooms from around rupees 800 to 1200 rupees per night. For a bit more comfort, there are a lot of great choices available, which are peaceful, family-friendly, and still within easy reach of the main sites, priced between 1800 to 2500 rupees per night. Most attractions like Mall Road, Ridge, Lakkad Bazaar, and Scandal Point are within walking distance, so just stroll around and enjoy the views. For longer trips or nearby stops like Mashobra, Kufri or Naldera, you can hire a taxi for a day. Short rides around the city cost you around 200 rupees to 800 rupees. You can also use local buses or shared autos for budget travel. And near Mall Road, there are electric lifts or battery taxis also available if you are with kids or elders. So walk where you can and hire a cab for the hills. Shimla travel is simple, scenic and stress-free. Shimla is beautiful all year, but here's the best time. Summer, March to June. Pleasant weather, perfect for sightseeing. Monsoon, that is July to September. Hills turn green, very scenic, but roads can be slippery. Winter time, that is December to February. Cold and snowy. Great for snow lovers. Pick the season you like. Shimla always look amazing. So, for a 3-day trip, a budget traveler can manage with 6,000 to 8,000 rupees per person. For a mid-range experience, 10,000 to 12,000 rupees per person. Shimla is definitely amazing and it can fit any budget. And that's Shimla. From the bustling Mall Road and the Ridge to the peaceful Mashobra and Naldera, the hidden Chedwick Falls and the scenic hill views all around. Whether you are here for nature, adventure, history, or just some calm mountain air, Shimla has something for everyone. Plan your stay, choose your season, and explore at your own pace. The hills are waiting, and trust me, Shimla never disappoints. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel adventure. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.